So hello deal makers. In this video, let me show you how to deposit money into your GoTrade account. Now GoTrade is a stock trading app that's called the Robinhood for the world, or the Robinhood for non-US citizens like you and me. Now it's very easy, but you need to pay attention because you may end up waiting 3 days for your money to come in instead of just a few minutes. Now, but before we get into that, let me welcome you to the channel if you are new here. My name is Ronald, and this is the Dealmaker channel, where we talk about investing in multiple asset classes such as stocks and real estate. This video is not sponsored by GoTrade, so please support the channel by hitting the like button, make it turn blue like my shirt. So with that out of the way, let's get into our phones and start depositing money into our GoTrade accounts. Right, so to deposit money into your GoTrade account, you tap this dollar sign here, the one beside your profile picture. Then there are two ways to deposit money in GoTrade as of the moment. There is the instant deposit to GoTrade, and then there's deposit to GoTrade. They actually use the same channels, but the time frame is different. So this is why you need to pay attention. So let's start with instant deposit. So when you tap on instant deposit, so you will see here, if you are from the Philippines, this is what you will see. So there are two bank options as of the moment. So there's Union Bank and BPI. Now you can also deposit in USD through international wire transfer. So if you are in a country that is not the Philippines, because GoTrade is the Robinhood for the world and it's available in 150 countries, you probably will have different options from me, because I'm here in the Philippines and these are the options for Filipino citizens. But for everyone, I believe everyone has this option, deposit in USD or international wire transfer. But as much as possible, you want to avoid that because international wire transfer fees are quite high. In the Philippines, the wire transfer fees can run up to $35. So you want to avoid that to minimize your funding costs. But for us Filipinos, we can use instant deposit through Union Bank, and for Union Bank, the fee is 10 pesos, and for BPI, it's 12 pesos. So I don't know why it's different. They use the same engine anyway. They use Dragon Pay to process your payments. Now I don't have Union Bank, but I do have BPI, so I will use BPI. But before we use BPI, let's just quickly go back. Let's just quickly go back to the funding options. If you will notice here, there are two options: instant deposit to GoTrade and deposit to GoTrade, the normal deposit. So let's look at deposit to GoTrade. So as you will see here, the options are the same. Okay, so you also can deposit through Union Bank or BPI, but the difference is the time frame. So if you'll notice here, with the normal deposit, it will take up to 3 banking days. Right? So that is the estimate, 3 banking days. Same fees, $10, 10 pesos. 10 pesos for Union Bank and 12 pesos for BPI. So it's important that you use instant deposit to GoTrade. There is a limit though, so you can only transfer up to $1,000 instantly to your GoTrade account. I think this is per day. It's $1,000 per day. So if you have a lot of money and you want it to show up immediately, then you can only put in $1,000 per day. Okay, so let's try instant deposit. So I will be using BPI. So let's put in, say, 1,000. GoTrade says that there is no minimum, but of course, since the minimum trade or the minimum amount that you can put in to buy a stock is $1, so I would think that the minimum deposit for us, at least for us Filipinos, is at least around 48 pesos. So it depends. You can actually see here the exchange rate, and you will see here how much money will go into your account. Okay, so when we tap on preview deposit, so you tap on preview deposit, and then again it will repeat the information here, You can actually see the disclaimer and the terms of condition, but all you need to do is just swipe up here to deposit. All right, and then it will ask you, so as it shows here, BPI awaiting funds, log into your BPI account to confirm your payment. So these are the instructions. Then we tap on complete payment. So we will be redirected to the DragonPay website. Okay, so select a payment option. BPI online. Tap on I agree. So it says there you will be charged a $12, 12 pesos. 12 pesos service fee. Tap on select. And then it will ask for my username and password. All right, so then it will ask for your one-time password. So check for your one-time password. All right, and then there's a very, very small confirmation there. Payment completed successfully. Okay. So you can also already exit that. I hope they make that automatic, right? Automatically go back to the website, but you can safely close that. You will get back to your GoTrade screen. So right now it's not yet there. So let's look at the time. The time is 9:47. It's still, my balance is still $69.09. All right, so it's now, so there. All right, so there. It's now $89.83. So the deposit already came in, and the time here is 5:48. Okay, so 1 minute. It only took 1 minute for the deposit to come in. Okay, so that's how you use the instant deposit. Again, if you want the funds to be credited immediately, you use instant deposit, because if you use the normal deposit, it will take you 2 to 3 banking days. So now that the account has new funds, then it's time to think about what stocks to buy. Now, I do have a plan of buying a specific set of stocks, which I will share in a future video, but I'm curious. Let me know in the comment section, how much money do you plan to put into GoTrade on a regular basis? And what stocks are you going to buy first? Right, so please let me know in the comment section below. Of course, before you invest, I would suggest that you do your own due diligence. So don't just buy a stock because you saw it on someone else's screen on YouTube. There is a reason why those stocks are there. So I don't necessarily recommend them right away. I don't necessarily recommend that you buy them right now. I am watching these stocks, so it's not just because you see AGNC or TEF or BTI, GSK, it doesn't mean that these are the stocks that I recommend. These are the stocks that I am watching and that I am studying. So it's important that you do your own due diligence as well. But make sure to first hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and consider subscribing to the Dealmaker channel so that you can get updates whenever I release stock analysis videos or deep dives, so that you can do your due diligence already along with the Dealmaker channel. If you want to get more stock buying ideas, please check out the stocks to buy playlist, or check out the Grab stock analysis video. Always remember, it's always a great day to make deals, and may all of your deals push through. See you in the next video.